Well, brothers and sisters, God bless. Let's get into a verse for today. Today's verse comes from the book of Acts, chapter 14, verse 22, and it reads, "Strengthening the souls of the disciples, encouraging them to continue in the faith, and saying that through many tribulations we must enter the kingdom of God." Alright, today we're just going to be unboxing the protective housing for the GoPro 10 that I purchased, and I got a video on that. So right away it tells you that it's compatible for the 10, but I believe it was made for the 9. And this is recommended for people that are doing extreme activities and deep water diving. And it goes down up to 196 feet of water with the protective housing on, which equals 60 meters. So we're just gonna open this, and the thing that includes in this package is protective housing, the skeleton back door, the mounting buckle, and the thumb screw. So let's just get into this unboxing right here. And got our box. Here in the back we see a mount and a thumb screw. So we got the actual protective housing. It's got a push button for the power button and the mode button, which turns it from the video to the time lapse and the photo. We got our record button up here. We got the back screen, which is still compatible with it on. And we got a cover for our front screen. So it's something good if you're doing extreme sports or anything that might cause any damage to your camera. With the subscription, they say that they'll replace your camera if it's damaged with no questions asked, but I don't know what the whole process is like, so I went ahead and bought this online. And being subscribed to the GoPro, I believe I got this for $25, so not a bad deal, right? And if you're a subscribed member, if you spend over $50, you get free shipping. So I went ahead and got this and the chesty, which I'll also be making an unboxing video on. Both of them came out to about $56, so it was worth buying a second product just to get the free shipping. So not a bad deal overall. So we got that. Oh, I apologize. We do have another backside, and this one you can actually put your finger through, so I guess it's more touchscreen compatible. Maybe this one, once you're going on a long journey and you're making a long video, you won't need the touchscreen too much. Probably recommend it for this. And if you know you're going to be touching the screen or needing to touch the screen, it's probably better to put this back door right here, skeleton back door. So we got the mount and we got the thumb screw. So that's everything that's included in this package. Like I said, that's the protective housing that's made for the 9, but is also compatible for the 10. Thank you for your time. God bless.